Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to design a normal temporary house in a sketchup, Google sketchup. First we'll go take a square, design a normal board, then use a sign up to pump it little. You can just, for a normal house, you can just design the outer layer, add a roof if you wish to, but your angle should be at 90 degrees. Then you can see a shape has come. You can pull it out. Then you can cover this face like this. Here is a simple house done. Then you can add windows, a door, and design, make it little inside. After drawing a door, you can add windows if you wish to. This is for just drawing normal house, showing how to design normal houses on Google SketchUp 8, but this can be also done using the older versions. You have to be careful that you pull out and take inside to create a texture and a shadow like this. Now for the background, we'll use a square and then cover it like this so that no one can see. After drawing, you might we keep this thing at 90 degrees, draw like this, draw a slope, and then pull out this slope. After pulling out this slope, your normal house is done. Then you can put design using some but it's gonna be like this, so let's make it some more better. You can pull it out this. Once you get a flat surface, now you can draw a square on it, then pull it up, again draw another square on it, then keep this thing inside so that it creates a shape like that. Now for another thing you can do is design another cube over here. Like you can just simply need to pull out this, then just pull this thing, just pull this up. After pulling this thing up, you can draw another roof if you wish to, or you can also make a terrace if you want to, but I'll prefer drawing a roof. But after drawing, the shape is not nice because we didn't draw at an angle, so now we need to put it at a single angle and then draw it the roof. For drawing, just pull it out like in a simple way. After pulling it, your roof is done. But you can do one more thing, like add a balcony over here. Draw a square, then just pull this thing out slowly. Not a big balcony, just need to draw a smaller one. If you wish to, you can also make it like this. You don't really need to draw a big one, but then it's good if you draw something like this, so you can also make a small whatever. Then you can pull out this, you can pull out the downer flow of yours, and then pull this squares down. Just simply need to do like this. You simply design a small house, it's not bad, and you can also add it like this. Then just rotate it. Now for balcony, after designing, draw some lines like this. Because I'm showing you a simple way, you just need to draw lines, because you don't need to create grids or any extra whatever, because unless you're drawing a professional house or a 3D model. Simply you just need to pull this thing up, but make sure it is thick. Then pull this up, not all that up, cause whatever is not all that. Make sure while pulling up, make sure your designs are accurate, the lines you're drawing are accurate, and do not make any mistake. In case any mistake, try searching. Like you've seen, there is a curve, but no problem, this is a simple house, so you don't need to worry. Then finish it by drawing a small line on the side. So this has made your balcony or whatever you call it. But then you need to draw entrance door. So what you need to just simply do is draw a square, a door, using the square tool. Again, while drawing a square tool, don't forget to create the texture like this. After creating texture, our mini house is done. Simple house through Google, and here you can add windows, you can add windows. Again, here you have to add texture, not so much. So here is our mini house done. But just cause I'm showing you a simple house, I'm not keeping windows. But if you wish to, like for your extra whatever, I can add windows for you. Never forget to draw and create textures, because it is important to draw such textures. again rotate. You can add another window if you wish to. And again you need to draw two windows which look like as if they are of washrooms. Now once you've drawn this, you need to yet add some windows over here for to show that it's a bedroom or any other room which has windows. This is very important, necessary, because most of the few houses have windows, and if you're drawing just simple, then you just don't need to add anything else. After drawing a simple house, you can put color in it or design using any other material. You can also visit Google 3D warehouse where you can download many other materials, but for now I'm just using materials which are provided by the SketchUp. So for now we need to go to the tools, then go to materials. After materials, you can decide a nice color for your house, as in you can decide color gray according to me. Even color gray is not bad. Let's try color gray. No, it won't look nice, so we can try color yellow. Yeah, this is not nice. Let's try color this is okay. We'll just use color white, but then let me show you another way. First we need to add some materials, so let's go to the toolbox, materials, edit materials. We need to add bricks, so you can choose any type of bricks you want, any bricks you need to use. So for me, I'm gonna choose these ones. Then I'll be watering. If you zoom in these pictures, you can see the bricks like clearly. I'll rotate again. Keep bricks. It's very important that you check all the layers uh, of your house and put the bricks where they are needed to be put. Make sure you rub such grids, but for the time it's just a short video, so I'm just not going to show you so fast or slowly, because it's not okay, it's time consuming, no problem. But then just for you to know how to use a designer house, I'm just helping you. Now for this chamber, we need to choose another different type of water. You can use these ones. Yeah, you can use that one. And for roofing, you can use that one same. You have to be careful while coloring different areas. It is not. It is very important. Make sure you color and add materials to the necessary areas which are necessary for the house. And you can add windows texture. After editing such, the main thing now you need to do is again rotate your house and check all the pillars are colored very nicely. Now you need to choose a nice color for your house. Windows colors.